What's up you guys, Anthony here from the Ultralight Backpacker. Thanks for joining along on this video, which is probably one of the most fun, if not the most fun backpacking trip I've ever been on. I did my first snow camp, 4th season adventure at Johns Meadows Campground in the San Bernardino National Forest, San Gorgonio Wilderness. Now, the problem was I did a bunch of filming on my cell phone and the footage came out terrible. My friend Matt over at Lead Me Outdoors literally saved my tail on this trip. Not only did he supply me his footage from his amazing Sony DSLR, but he also gave me hand warmers that night because I forgot him at home. He really saved my tail on that one. I want to say thank you, Matt. Bro, seriously, thank you for the footage. Thank you for the hand warmers. If you guys are enjoying the stuff that I'm putting out on my channel, you really need to check out Matt over at Lead Me Outdoors. I'm gonna leave a link down below and I'm gonna link the channel up here in the cards. That guy's stuff is gonna blow you away. My stuff is amateur hour compared to this guy. All right, let's get to the footage.
Well, I don't have much time to video today. Impromptu trip up to the mountains. As you can see, it snowed up here. We're doing a winter loadout trip. Guys already hiked in this morning. I'm gonna haul up here, try and get up there within about an hour, hour and a half. The sun's gonna set on me a little bit, but we'll try and see if we can make way. Beautiful. So, we'll see you at Johns Meadow. Dude, are you kidding me? Look at this view. This is why I do this, man. Look at this. It's freaking beautiful. White powdery Christmas. It does not get better than this.
What's up, dude?
Well,
good to see you.
You too, brother.
Look who just showed up, Anthony. And I know we had the bet going here, and I said he would be here about 5:20ish.
Pay up, baby.
And here he is. So.
Yeah, no, Matt was right, dude. You win, bro.
Wow. Thank you, guys.
How was it, dude?
Yeah. No,
that was kind of sketchy, dude. Towards the end when the sun was creeping down, I took like a little false trail right at the creek there, and I was like, huh, this ain't right.
Yeah,
literally right here.
Like,
like,
it a little bit through there too.
Yeah, I was stomping around and I was going, this ain't right. And so I pulled out my light, looking around, and I was like, this ain't doing jack crap. It was sketchy coming up here.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you're here, man.
Yeah, I'm glad you came, man, for sure.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thanks
It's
for
awesome
having us,
to have
bro.
It's good, huh?
Oh gosh.
My gosh.
Why don't we buy that stuff? As you can see, Anthony came in earlier. Here he is. He's finally all set up, having his miso. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the hike in, Anthony?
Yeah, so I saw you guys posting pictures from the trailhead this morning, and I really wanted to come out this morning, obviously, but I had other obligations. Basically hauled butt out here at like, I don't know, 12 or 1 or something, got to the trailhead at 4, and I just hiked as fast as I could given the conditions. Got up here just at the right time, man. The sun had set maybe half hour before I got here. Trail was nice, it was easy to follow. Johns Meadow I've done once or twice with Matt, thankfully. I'm glad they were already up here, let me know, and they cleared a spot for me. So cheers to these guys, and hopefully we have a good night and we don't freeze our tails off.
Well, right on, man. We're happy to have you here. When you sent the message, we were both kind of in shock, like, whoa, man, this guy's actually coming.
I know.
So
I couldn't believe it either.
it's awesome, dude. So yeah, we're having a good time, and I know it's a short overnight, but it's always better to do something than nothing.
That's true, man.
I want to show you Anthony's new setup. He brought his duplex, and he's got his new bag here. It's the Z-Packs Arc Blast. Nice green color. Always like to look at that pack. And he's just setting up. He's gonna set up, and then we're gonna probably cook some dinner, and hang out. So, right on. Nice snowy wonderland here.
It is freaking pretty cold. Probably get down into the 20s tonight, maybe the teens. I'm out here with 2 of us, Soul the Hiker and Lead Me Outdoors, and it's fun. We're having a good time. Got the tent set up. These guys helped clear a spot for me before I walked up, because I came up here after sunset, and got to my tent set up there, the duplex. I've got the Neo Air X-Therm and a foam mattress and a 0-degree quilt. I'll be sleeping in full gear, and then these guys will top the Big Agnes HV UL1. You can tell snow is on the ground tonight. Lots of it. It's getting a little icy, but pretty cool stuff. So there you go. There's a nice little view for you. Good morning, guys. It's a Sunday morning. It's probably a nice balmy, I don't know, 25 to 28, something like that. A little chilly. Just woke up. Gonna make some coffee and then probably head out. All right, good morning, good morning. Here at John's Meadows. It's a nice balmy 30 out, I'd say. We're all packing up the gear. Things are a little more difficult this morning because there's, I don't know, foot deep of snow there, or my foot, so I don't know, 6 inches there maybe. Some spots are maybe a foot, but it's real nice out here. It's calm, quiet. First night out in the duplex, that was interesting to say the least. Worked out fabulously. Thanks to these two guys over here helping me set it up for the first time out here. And then maiden voyage on the Arc Blast. That pack rode like a dream. At I think I had 27 pounds in it loaded up, and it rode real nice. So we'll see how it does in the future. Here's Matt's awesome shelter. What you got going on here, man?
Big Ag against Copper Pure HVUL1. It's a mouthful.
Yeah, it sure is. Rocking the Melanzana. And Steve cowboy camping.
Yeah, no, this is great, dude. It was wonderful. No, I had a Copper Spur HVUL1 also, but I'm telling you, number one, it's a really great tent. I loved it. But what really made it even better was the bike packing footprint right here.
Yeah.
It basically gives you a nice little vestibule where you could set down your stuff. You could stand
Right
up
there.
on it when you get out of the tent and everything. Highly recommended this right here.
Yeah.
If you're going to get a Copper Spur HVUL1, or if you already have one, looking to get in the bike back.
Yeah, looking toasty.
Yeah.
We're rocking micro spikes this morning.
Sexy leg this morning for you.
Filling up some water here with the Soda Windmaster. Can sitting in the snow, no problems at all. As always, some delicious G7 coffee is going to do the trick this morning. And for breakfast, I brought a Mountain House, but I'm just going to do a little snack pack and some beef jerky on the way down the trail. Let's get some. Alright, we're heading out of the trail. Still cold, waiting for that sun to cruise over the peak. My feet are cold, man. So, we're rocking the micro spikes right now. Trekking poles. And some gaiters. Hey, what, man? You definitely feel a lot cooler hiking in this. Look how cool I look, man.
Cleared.
Screw that, dude. This is unreal. It's so beautiful. Doubling down. I think we got a Sasquatch here, boys and girls.
That's a size 11 boot there. We got another one there. And this one's a little worn away. Sasquatch in the house. Did any of you guys see Sass last night when you were walking in? Yeah. We're on full Squatch alert now. Not bad so far, huh? Looking all stoic. Cool trip thus far, man. Pretty good stuff, man. So far this trail has been freaking awesome. Got the guys back there hanging out.
That was pretty cool, dude. I was pulling a zoom out.
Did I hear you yelling?
Ah, come on.
Did I hear you yelling at Anthony?
Yeah, because he was.
Yeah, what's new, dude?
Camera.
What's new? This
He pulled out his
freaking guy.
camera, then he saw me with my camera. Was like, "Oh no, you take the shot." I'm like, "Dude, take the shot."
This
Like,
guy's spicy this morning, man. Get a little snow on them gators.
I know, dude. I'm
Turns into a
a
whole
mountain
different
man
animal.
now, dude.
Alright guys, coming up towards the parking lot here. Just want to say thanks for coming along on this quick overnight trip to John's Meadow Camp in the San Gorgonio Wilderness up Forsey Creek Trail. A beautiful drive up Highway 38 if you're ever in the area. If you like this video, please check out some of my other clips. You might enjoy them. Like, share, and subscribe if you feel like doing so. And we will see you on the next adventure.